Super ego, Amazon. They need to hurry up and get y'all off the road. Y'all trucks go faster than anybody's on the street, on the expressway. Y'all stay in the news for running over somebody or getting caught up under a bridge or killing some folk, flipping the truck over. Y'all tailgate, especially them Pakistani dudes or whoever them dudes be wearing that shit on their head. Them little bitty dark skinned, brownish yellow, beige looking motherfuckers. Y'all don't use blinkers. Y'all cut people off. And I just don't seem to understand why y'all trucks go so fast. Y'all pass everybody on the highway. Tailgate. Run up people's behind. Just following too close. Passing on the wrong side. Man, just cutthroat. Especially you little Pakistani dudes, man. Y'all dudes is crazy. Like, I don't know if y'all can read signs or what the problem is, but anybody drive Super Ego or Amazon trucks, they always look spaced out. And if y'all feel me on this, YouTube, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because them two companies right there, they must get their license out the cereal box. Cause ain't nobody training them people about safety or nothing. Have some road etiquette. You know, guy come down the highway, getting on the ramp or off the ramp, they won't move over. It's always Amazon or Super Ego. And you wonder why they stay in the news. Come on, man. I need Super Ego and Amazon to get a safety protocol together over there, because the people y'all putting on the road, trash. Trash. Absolute trash. I'm out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you think about Amazon and Super Ego. All the Pakistani Hindus or them sheep wrapped around their head wearing, I don't know what they is, but they shouldn't be driving in America. Maybe in the desert where ain't no lights and no trees and telephone poles, just sand. But American highways, y'all trash.